So one thing I always like to do and have prepared in my boat and just, being efficient is replacement hooks for crankbaits. And I like to have and carry a couple different boxes. First is the EWG style Fusion 19s for baits like your flicker shads, that hit sticks that carry that EWG style hook, or a box of the round bends like I have here on the Money Badger. But to me, it's just one of those things where if you have them with you, even if it's a rollover point or if it's a hook that's been bent out from being snagged so many times, generally when a hook gets bent out after getting it out of a snag and you bend it back, that tempering isn't there anymore and it isn't going to be as strong as it was when it started. And so as long as you have one available, you're probably going to change it when you need to. But let's face it, if it's at home and you want to do it later because you don't have it with you, it's going to go in the box and it's going to be in the box when you go to grab it again. So to me, this is just one of those small things that just makes you a better angler because you have your equipment at the top notch it should be. And it just makes you work a lot more efficiently on the water. And to me, it's peace of mind. I feel like I have less things to do when I get off the water.